of 4? That's that written down. What is half of 4? And that is 2. Okay, so that answer is 2, and we know that already because 4 over 1 times a half. We just did. Right, but this then, what's this answer? Thinking about it, it's how many times does a half fit in? So division is a fit in. How many times does a half fit into 4? 8 times. So you have half a pizza. Out of 4 whole pizzas, there's 8 of those half pizzas. So that answer is 8. How do I get that? Mathematically or systematically? We create an algorithm. Our algorithm is fried chicken. We're going to keep, we're going to change, and we're going to flip. Fried chicken, KCF, spelled wrong. Uh-oh. KCF. We're going to use the fried chicken method. You can use that as well. I'm going to use this one. This works because if I change from division to multiplication, we've just done multiplication, it's pretty easy. It's just a straight line. If I change the question to multiplication, it's easier to do. And if I flip the number, make it the opposite number, it's like I'm doing the opposite operation. So keep the first fraction, change the sign, and flip the second fraction. All right, let's do this with a more difficult example. What is 2/3 divided by 5/6? So how many times does 5/6 fit into 2/3? Not as easy as doing 4 divided by a half. But let's follow my system. Still don't need a common denominator for multiplication or dividing, but I do need to use this new system. Keep the first fraction, so I keep 2/3 the same. I change the sign from divide to what? Times. And then I flip the second fraction, 6 over 5. Instead of 5 over 6, 6 over 5. Now what do I do? Times it. Because we just figured out multiplication was a super easy thing to do because I just go straight lines. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. If I can simplify, I can, as usual. Divide by 3, divide by 3, 4/5. So 5/6 fits into 2/3, 4/5 of a time. Let's do another example. 2 2/3 divided by, let's do a different number, 3/7. Oh, that's a tricky one. 2 2/3. What do we do when we have a mixed number? You must convert. You must convert. You won't be able to do this unless you convert. Shia, get your stuff. Move here. Here. Okay? So we must convert this to an improper number. 2 times 3 gets 6. Add the 2 to the top. I get 8/3. Now, as I go along, so I've changed this to an improper, but it's kept as a fraction, as usual. Change this to a multiply, and then flip this one. 7 over 3. So what did I do? I put this as an improper number, but I kept it still. I don't flip this. I changed this to a multiply, and I flipped this 3 over 7 to 7 over 3. The sign means change from divide to multiply. And I get 56 over 9. And then I can simplify that down. 9 fits into 56 how many times? 6 times. And remainder 2. One final example. What's 3/8 divided by 4/7? Keep the first fraction, change the sign from division to multiplication to make it easier for ourselves. But if we've done that, we must also change the second fraction. Flip it from 4/7 to 7/4. Then go straight lines, 21 multiplied, 24. And if I can simplify, I do simplify. Can I simplify this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, 32, yeah. Can I simplify